Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by deciding the edit goal, retouch, composite, or stylize, because direction guides every choice. Open your AI image editor and set canvas size and resolution to match the final use. Upload the photo, then immediately duplicate the base layer so you can revert changes. This is non-destructive editing. Once done, label layers and create a quick save checkpoint. These steps save time and prevent lost work, and they let the AI suggest edits based on the exact image and intended output. Now you focus on precise control. Use AI-assisted masks or manual selection to isolate the subject, because accurate masks determine realistic results. Apply adjustments on separate adjustment layers, exposure, color balance, and localized sharpening, so you can tweak intensity without damaging pixels. When you remove or extend areas, use generative fill to synthesize content, and then refine edges with a soft brush and opacity fades for natural blends. Make small iterative passes. To finish, save a layered master file for future edits, then export final copies in the required formats and color profiles. TIFF for print, JPEG for web, PNG for transparency, so you deliver the right file. Inspect the image at 100% to catch artifacts, seams, or color shifts. Make tiny fixes and re-export. If something looks off, revert to your checkpoint and refine the mask edges or lower generative fill strength, because reducing AI influence often restores natural detail and eliminates odd blends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.